So let's continue explaining how to edit your graph in the graph editor for animation. For example, for this section over there, you can hit G in order to select and move some of these dots in order to change the position of the animation for your object. So in this case, repositioning the Z location keyframe as shown has no effect on our object, which is Susanna monkey in 3D View Editor. When inserting the location, rotation, and scale as shown here, Shift A, Control A, and to apply all transforms as shown here. So should apply all transforms. In this case, because of the motion is not affected on the Z axis as shown here, so just hit the also you can notice that you have this motion. Also, you can deduce that positioning keyframe in the dope sheet, also as shown here, by clicking and selecting the G key, is gonna be changing also the position of the diamonds represented in the timeline editor. Also gonna be changing the position in the graph editor of the handles to represent the keyframes. It would commence at this point. To understand the correlation between the graph editor and the dope sheet, align the two editors one above the other. So in order to align the dope sheet editor and the timeline editor, and also the graph editor, just hover over this in order to show up this cross, then drag drag one showing this arrow going to the right side, hold like this and release. This is gonna be making it just drag a little bit like this in order to make these two editors aligned in order to understand the motion of your object as shown here. Thanks for watching. I will continue in the next tutorial.